before, after, before, after, before, after. What a bloody transformation. Let's take a look at how I did this edit in this Luminar Neo. Don't forget to go down in the description below to check out all the discounts and reductions and special offers available for different softwares. Thank you. Let's take a look at a new editing video of Luminar Neo, and it's kind of my go-to software if I want something like really nice and beautiful, but also very quick edit. And it has like some fantastic presets that I really particularly love, I gotta say. And I think that they actually add really good value on my images. Now, what I'm going to do is to check out one of the set of presets, such as urban style collection, and see if they're, the word I'm looking for, if they're, let's say, calling me. So I'm going to go side by side. The New York looks good. Melbourne looks good too. Toronto. I mean, they all have their own particular look. What I want though is that the foreground, this temple, looks standing out from the background. That's my objective of the day. I'm also kind of contemplating black and white, I gotta say. So I'm going to check out the monochrome, for instance. But monochromes are really nice for portrait, I would say. But why not try out for the black and white, let's say. So film grain, not really. No, I mean, not really particularly attracted by those black and white image. For instance, probably I'm going back to probably artistic. Hey, let's take a look at the artistic one. You never know, because they're creative, so they might give me something really strange and beautiful. When I say strange, look at that. This is what I'm looking for, like a punchy, saturated, yet beautiful all at once. So this is supreme. I guess the neon skyline is nice. Yeah, neon skyline is very nice, in my opinion. So final touch, final look, or in the end, the blockbuster collection. Come on, the name should give it away, like a black blockbuster. So orange and teal, you have the film noir. Film noir is a strange name for a preset. Orange and teal, Shanghai, cyberpunk, speedway. Probably the Shanghai. Okay, I'm sticking with that. Now, once it's done, I'm going to the edit. Now, this is the fun part. Now, in the new update, you can actually go back and forth and then do batch editing, which is kind of nice. Now, sky. I'm not going to replace the sky, I would say. Do I? I don't know. The sky looks alright to me. So I'm not going to do much of a sky replacement, I would say. It's not necessary. However, the enhance, let's see. Yeah. There you go. Sky enhancer. The reason why I'm doing the sky enhancer is because that I want, as I said, the temple standing out very well. So I need the sky to be very dark. And there is another problem. This building, this white building, it's to me problematic because it's too bright. So I gotta do something with this. To do so, I have two options. Option number one, I would crop it. So I would do free and try to make it as reduced as possible and click apply. I don't know what composition is. Composition is probably going to fix the perspective, but it might take some time. There you go. I knew that. So use the perspective to make sure that the temple is nice and straight. So I'm going to go down. That's actually quite good. It did a good job. I would say DxO viewpoint probably can do a better job, but nonetheless, this is a very good job in my opinion. And I'll do apply. And when I'm applying it, I'm going to do a little bit of a side-by-side comparison. There you go. It's pretty nice. When I'm done with that, now my objective is to make sure that the building, as I said, to be strong, to be, I don't know, standing out. But before I go through that, I'm going to go to dramatic and add some more punch in the image. Local contrast a bit more. Then the magic light, probably not necessary in my opinion, but I'm going to go for it anyway. Yeah, not necessary, I think. So I'm not going to do that. The mystical, probably yes, because this image deserves a nice mystical look. The shadow. And the smoothness. Then neon and glow. Let's take a look at it. So atmosphere. This is nice. It looks so beautiful. This is the beauty of this. Like with the one click of slide, the whole image became exceptionally transformed, which is just brilliant. Now I already added glow. I will add some little bit of matte. In the shadow, I would add some nice saturation of probably the green. And the highlight, the red. Not too much though, has to be nice and subtle. And then super contrast, bit more highlight contrast, bit more mid-tone contrast, and bit more shadow contrast. Once it's done, the color harmony, probably bit more warmth and bit more saturation. Look at that. Now this is a punchy and beautiful looking Sydney Chinese garden, and I love it. Let me know what you think. I'm going to go back and forth, so let's do it again. So before, after, before, after, before, after. So that's my take on the Luminar Neo. I didn't even use the super sharp or noise reduction at all because I don't think it's necessary. So let me know what you think, and if you like this video, like and subscribe and make some comment in the comment section below. Take care of yourself and bye bye.